What in your assessment is a future ready enterprise?
So, from my perspective, a future-ready enterprise will have a lot of components to it. One is, of course, the technology trend. Where do you stand? Because technology keeps on changing. There's a cycle for every technology and keeps on changing every 6 months or year. So you have to be continuously abreast. Right? Where are you in that trend? So currently, if AI, a few years back it was cloud, now it is AI, generative AI. So you have to see that where is your enterprise going in that trend, which path you are taking, and in 5 years where do you want to see yourself, and where are you right now with respect to that technology. So suppose AI or generative AI is the trend, so you have to see what is your roadmap, career map, and then where do you stand, how you are progressing. So that makes you a future ready, any technology for that matter. Then it's not only the technology, it's also about the skill base, right? So your organization has to be ready for that skill change, right? It has to upgrade its skill. It has to be adaptable enough to have those skills, and organization also has to be ready to make the organization for that skill ready, which is very essential. So if you are taking a curve trend, right, you may have certain people coming to your organization, but your existing organization has to be abreast with the skill. Then the flexibility in the organization, they should be ready to adapt to those changes, right? Unless they are ready and they absorb it and they implement it, then then enterprise would not be successful. So there are a lot of parameters or components. Technology is at the forefront, but after that you have to look into the skill set of the employee. Then you also have to look at in different arenas, like maybe what is the compliance or regulations with respect to the technology which you are going to form. So your related people or the stakeholders in the organization should be aware about it and implement it. Otherwise your company may get into some kind of hassles. And looking into this, then you also have to see whether security threats are there or any additional threats, your government laws, compliance, regulations. If you're a global company, you have to look into the global arena. So different parameters, different components make an enterprise future ready.
So my next question is, how are you using AI for your digital transformation?
So we are using AI in a lot of models. So for example, for IT arena, right, we have developed recently a generative AI. So we have our own Nokia GPT, so which is like Chat GPT, and Nokia GPT is more focused on the telecom. It is currently available for the Nokia employees. So it also will be used as a knowledge management or provide the inference or the material related to the telecom or Nokia product. So this is how we are developing our Nokia GPT. It is already available for Nokia employees. Then we have various chatbots available, some for business use, some for ITSM use, and they are able to interact with the end users, resolve their queries. We also have our virtual digital assistant available for integrated with our ITSM tool. So it is able to resolve the issues, guide the end users, raise the ticket, categorize it. So we have a good success rate in using the virtual digital assistant also. Other than that, we have used a lot of automation tasks, like we're able to do password reset or MFA or various such tasks where service where there's some mundane task which can be automated. So the end result, what we want is basically the end user satisfaction. This is what we want to drive. So it is if you give them faster resolutions, lesser hassles, good productivity, efficiency, cost reduction, this is what the end user is aiming at. And if you're able to provide these things via AI, then I think we are successful at whatever we want to provide.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the insight.
Thank you.